Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Epiko token. EPIKO is the ticker symbol. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting August 13th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Epiko token. So you can find their Twitter at _Epiko, and I'm going to put that in the corner of the page there so you guys can easily find that. Now this token is being listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global, August 13th at 14 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search EPIKO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Full name of the token is EPIKO space REGAL, Epiko Regal. There is a max total supply of 300 million tokens. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. There's 18 decimal places on this token. How the token is split up: 10% goes to seed round, 20% private round, 5% public round, 5% team, 20% foundation, 12% marketing, 10% development, 8% advisors, and 10% liquidity. So Epiko is a gamified platform on blockchain technology powering the next generation of Web3 gaming ecosystem. So the Wharf Street Studios is an innovative technology company creating immersive gaming experiences that showcase India's rich cultural heritage. Our flagship product, the Epiko ecosystem, combines emerging technologies like blockchain, AR, VR, and AI to deliver captivating storytelling and interactive gameplay. With a focus on cultural diversity, we aim to fill the gap in the market for authentic and engaging gaming content. We aim to bring high-quality, fun experiences to the blockchain and help gather mainstream crypto adoption. Players fully own their assets and can actively participate in the game ecosystem. The project Epiko is part of a new generation of video games in which players may earn cryptocurrency for their contributions to the ecosystem. Here, players have access to ancient Indian characters from the form of the cinematic comics, games, and augmented reality collectibles. This concept is complemented by the Epiko Metaverse and Marketplace, allowing the community to benefit from the complete ecosystem. Our mission is to create a holistic ecosystem that combines gaming, storytelling, and collectibles, allowing players to engage with unique mythologies and legends from around the world, bringing high-quality, fun experiences, fostering a community-driven approach to game development, and inviting players to actively participate in shaping the future of the metaverse and gaming. Our vision is to bring high-quality, fun experiences to blockchain technology and mainstream crypto adoption to help players fully own their assets and actively participate in the game ecosystem. So they have their products, the Epiko Regal, which is a Web2 mobile game. And so Epiko Regal is a strategy mobile game complemented by augmented reality and digital motion comics. A new age of mythical superheroes from the East are showcased in an interactive manner. The initial phase of our tower defense game has an artificial intelligence bot to challenge and engage the users. However, a later stage player will face real-time opponents, bringing traction to the game. The game contains such assets as gold gems, yantras, kingdom cards, and features like quest, chat, and more. We also have the Epiko market, which is an essential component of the Epiko ecosystem, serving as an official marketplace for Epiko and other unique project collectibles like NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. We also have the Epiko Valley, which is coming soon, which is going to be a PC and virtual reality board game. The Land of Secrets and Sorcery, an oasis from the adventurous, a scorching pyre for the weak, an 8,000-year-old civilization thrived here, etc. So you can go over that. And they also have the Epiko World, which is coming soon. The users will be able to buy access passes to experience these rooms with a subscription that will be available to users holding the Epiko token. So it's going to be, a utility token for all of these features, these products within the ecosystem here. Moreover, there will be a special auction organized by the Epiko token holders. Also, Epiko World will have a mystical universe with geolocations and halls of fame for players from the community, and Epiko tokens will be required to gain access. And lastly, we have the Epiko merchandise, a range of high-quality products designed for fans of the Epiko brand. T-shirts, water bottles, fridge magnets, stickers, etc. They also have a frequently asked questions section if you have any questions. The token is designed to allow users to access limited supplies of assets, receive discounts, provide utility across platforms, participate in live events, allow access to tournaments and leagues, participate in the metaverse, and benefits in the games. These utilities will increase the expansion of the Epiko ecosystem. It's an ERC20 token. And you can find all of the information about this project if you go to their document section, docs.epiko.io. If you want to check out their webpage, it's just epiko.io. They also have a Telegram you could join at THEEPIKO. So the Epiko, and then they also have the Twitter that I mentioned earlier in the corner of the screen. And besides that, you can find this token newly listed August 13th, 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Make sure you guys leave a comment down there letting me know what you guys think about this project here. If you want to help support the channel, you can always support on Patreon, link in the description box, and there's a join button you can hit as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.